Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a LP record to which I've added some black paint, but also tipped on some pour off from the previous one, and it's sort of red, black and a bit of white. And I have some yellow, to which I'm going to add some red, and I'm going to add some white. And I'm going to tip this around. Now I know there's silicone in this tip off colour, but there's none in the black, there's none in the white, the red or the yellow. Oh yes, the red and yellow have a little bit. So, but there's none in the black or the white. Alright, so what I might do is take some of this off because it's a bit grey. Pour that down. Right, and now my colours, just bring them around just to cover the record a bit. Come on, that's it. And then I can bring it down this way a bit more, I think. Okay, so that's looking quite busy and nice. Now these colours that I just put in here, I'm just going to give them a helping hand, and I'm just going to do a ring pour. It'll probably cover all of this base coat. Oh yes, very pretty. And I'm just twirling him around. That's my grandson. He's online talking to his friends in America, in the United States. Okay, so this is working out. That noise in the background are kookaburras, but it's in actual fact my daughter's clock. Every hour we get a different bird. I quite like it, but she's not too impressed with it. Okay, so now I'm just bringing my colours down. What do I got under there? Tell me that's not the tape. Oh, so it is. Alright, let's get that off. Looks like I poured the paint on the wrong side. Okay, so down you go. Cover up the hole. And I'd like that red and yellow to come down a bit, red and white to come down a bit more. And over this way. Just trying to get rid of some of that black on this side, and this other side I'll see if I can't get that over as well. There goes that black, so that's alright. I just have to bring it over here. That black is now gone. And then down here with this yellow, stretch out the red. Not overly keen on this one, so I've got some red, I've got some white. Go in white. And a squirt or two of black. If it wants to come out, there we go. Okay, and give it a quick swirl. Do the same thing again. And see if I can't get a better sort of pattern. That pattern wasn't all that good. Okay. And I'd say this pattern is a nicer one. And it's coming. The only thing with these round records, you have to keep turning them out like you can see I'm doing, just to get them all covered. Oh, and I quite like that, but not that. So here we go again. Just going to bring that over. Down it comes. Okay. Oh yes, this is much nicer. Much nicer indeed. So I'll just wipe my hands off and then I'm going to give it a little torch. I'll do it under the water. So that is really a pretty one as well. Yep. So I'll bring you down now to take a little look, and I think the recipes, I think I told you the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show you more underneath this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. How pretty is this one? That red is really bright. I love it. And there's a smidgen of yellow there. and white and black have sort of gone a bit grey there, but that's okay too because it looks rather nice. In fact, it's quite pretty, that one piece there. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.